The India Meteorological Department, IMD, is mandated to take meteorological observations and provide forecasts for weather-sensitive activities like agriculture, irrigation, shipping, aviation, tourism, oil exploration and sports. It also aims to warn against severe weather phenomena like tropical cyclones, heavy rains, heat and cold wave, etc.
India Meteorology Department is the national weather agency under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. They have the mandate of providing services in weather and climate. And now they have mandate of providing weather services including weather warnings as well as weather forecast.
It has come a long way from its modest beginnings in 1875, with the last decade playing a pivotal role in its development. There has been significant improvement in early warning services in recent years. IMD has earned continuous global acclaim and appreciation for their round-the-clock and timely report. IMD earned appreciations for heavy rainfall warning for Chennai flood in 2015, Gujarat flood in 2017, cyclones Hudhud in 2014, Varda in 2016 and cyclones Sagar, Mekunu, Luban, Titli and Petai in 2018.
मौसम विभाग ने टेक्नोलॉजी का बखूबी उपयोग किया और 6 तारीख से ही ये संकेत दे दिए गए थे। जो अनुमान थे उतनी वेलोसिटी रही, जो दिशा थी अनुमानित वही दिशा रही, जो अनुमानित टाइम था वही टाइम रहा।
IMD received award for excellence in climate change and mitigation under the category of leadership in urban climate action for development and implementation of heat action plan in the country. IMD is armed with state-of-the-art technologies and infrastructure. This infrastructure is used collectively on a global scale to work with WMO and various international agencies to forecast and plan out disaster management in India and abroad.
Early warning comes from several components. One, the monitoring, detection and assimilation of all observed data is included in modeling systems. Then forecasts are generated by the models. So taking the forecast model output, different segments of early warning and warning messages and alerts are prepared.
IMD is on the road to continuous modernization and upgradation of its services through modernization of observatories, communication system and modeling and forecasting system.
There is remarkable achievement in early warning services for severe weather events affecting the country and the neighborhood from 2014 to 2018. It has been in terms of upgradation of observational systems like satellite, double weather radar and automated weather stations, in terms of monitoring and analysis procedure.
Various observational tools like satellites, automatic weather stations, radar, etc. provide timely inputs and round-the-clock monitoring for any severe weather event. The network of surface observatories has augmented to 1,261 including 711 AWS. For data reception from AWS, satellite telemetry has been replaced with satellite and mobile telemetry to take advantage of merits of both telemetry systems. The United Nations Environmental Programme Convention mercury barometers have been replaced by digital standard barometers, all meteorological observatories during 2014-2018. Rainfall monitoring has become more accurate with automated rain gauges increasing from 1160 to 1350 and total rain gauges to 13,200 countrywide. Dual telemetry enabled data loggers, 300 numbers installed at AWS sites. This resulted in improved network availability. 13 electronic sunshine recorders, 32 GPS-based solar tracker with pyrheliometers, 32 sunshine duration sensors. There has been significant improvement in aviation weather instruments. New aeronautical meteorological stations have been commissioned under UDAN scheme of Government of India.
Earlier we were having outside India RVR which were not easy to maintain.
Upper air observations are an essential component of weather prediction. The quality of these observations has improved with the installation of GPS or Global Positioning System technology at all 43 radio sounding stations with twice-a-day observations by 2018 against 11 numbers of GPS stations in 2014. Smooth production of indigenous GPS-based pilot sonde has commenced in IMD to provide vertical profile of wind from 62 stations daily. Satellite technology plays a crucial role in weather monitoring. Till 2013, IMD was receiving half-hourly observations in image from geostationary satellite INSAT 3D.
With the launch of INSAT 3D R satellite in 2016, both the satellites are being used in a staggered mode so that every 15-minute new set of images, cloud images, become available to the forecaster.
Rapid was the now worldwide famous tool. This is an online tool where we are analyzing INSAT 3D radiance data directly, and even user can also log into that and then they can analyze it.
Lightning data are superimposed with satellite and radar images every 10 minutes. Another important factor is the improved radar technology. Till 2013, there were only 10 Doppler weather radars in India. By 2018, 24 Doppler weather radars from IMD and 3 from ISRO are doing the job in India.
Doppler radars have played a very vital role in monitoring the cyclonic storms, various cyclones which are affecting India.
Use of Doppler weather radars have increased the accuracy in the spatial as well as a temporal domain here.
To have the weather observations on the west coast, we have got 3 Doppler weather radar. One is at Goa, recently installed, then we have one in Mumbai, and then one in Bhuj. And then one more radar is going to come very soon in Ahmedabad, and of course one radar is going to come in Ratnagiri.
Recently we started the cyclone warning centers at Trivandrum in October 2018. So cyclone detection radar in Cochin was started in 2017.
Since 2014, we have established several aerosol monitoring networks. One of the network is the Sky Radiometer network, which is used for monitoring aerosol optical properties, and finally the radiative forcing of aerosols. We have established 25 black carbon monitoring stations all over the country for measurement of black carbon aerosols and spectral absorption coefficient, chemical characterization of PM10, PM2.5 and total suspended particulate matter.
To analyze and understand current weather situation, an exchange of meteorological observations is needed within the country as well as globally. IMD acts as Global Information System Center or GISC, a major component of the World Meteorological Organization Information System or WIS for this purpose.
With the implementation of Global Information System Center, India has become one of the 15 centers for dissemination of global data.
Today it uses 3 types of numerical weather prediction or NWP models. Individual deterministic models GFS 12 km, Unified Model 12 km with forecast late period of 10 days each, and WRF 3 km resolution with forecast up to 3 days. Multi-model ensemble MME for 5 days. Single model ensemble prediction system, namely Global Ensemble Forecasting System GEFS and NCM RWF Unified Model EPS, both with 12 km resolutions and forecast lead period of 10 days.
In 2014, we started our global model at 23 kilometers resolution. Now we are running the model at 12 kilometers. Now we are running the same model at 3 kilometer resolution.
There has been a paradigm shift in the process of analysis and decision making. In addition to the existing decision support system DSS, namely Synergy at 11 places, another decision support system, namely MedCap Plus, has been installed and made operational at 9 meteorological centers. There is upgraded forecasting infrastructure including plotters for automatic plotting, interactive display system for analysis, video walls for visualization, video conference system for evolving consensus forecast at all forecasting centers. The validity period of the QPF for flood forecast has been extended from 24 to 72 hours. Frequency of bulletins has been increased and the entire country, 146 catchments, has been included for issuance of QPF for flood forecast by the end of 2018.
The rainfall monitoring. Earlier we were monitoring the rainfall on only once in a week. We are able to monitor the rainfall every day, not for the country as a whole, but for the country, for the state, for the districts, for the talukas.
2017, 2 years back, in the month of July, we had heavy to very heavy rainfall and even in extreme heavy rainfall also in northern parts of Gujarat. And that event was predicted so accurately that our Honorable CM Sri Rupani ji praised our IMD service regarding our accurate prediction of heavy rainfall and extreme heavy rainfall events.
अभी रिसेंटली जो साइक्लोन आया था तितली, वेरी सीवियर साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म्स, उसमें ओनली फ्यू % का कैजुअलिटी हुआ है।
हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ाने के बाद जो है हमारा एक्यूरेसी लेवल जो है इन पर्टिकुलर सितंबर से लेके हमारा फरवरी तक जो है 80 to 90% हमारा एक्यूरेट रहता है, जैसे कि लोगों को भी पता है, जिसका भरपूर फ़ायदा जो है हमारे जनरल पब्लिक, स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ जो है इसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाते हैं।
We are issuing fishermen warning through different stakeholders like the Fishermen's Authority, Directors of Fisheries, Fishermen Association.
The impact-based forecast at district level for all types of severe weather has been introduced with application of color codes of green, yellow, orange, red based on likelihood of occurrence in a district and its impact.
Significant advancements have been made in building effective early warning systems in respect of cyclones, in respect of heat waves, and particularly in respect of thunderstorms.
There is significant improvement in forecast accuracy and lead period for all types of severe weather events across the country. The forecast accuracy has improved by 30 to 35% in case of tropical cyclones. In case of severe weather events like heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, fog, etc., it has improved by 10 to 20% during the period 2014 to 2018.
The false alarm rate and missing rate for heavy rainfall warnings has decreased from 46% and 51% during 2002 to 2012 to 11% and 33% during 2014-18 respectively. The probability of detection has improved from about 49% in 2014 to 71% in 2018. The critical success index in prediction of heavy rainfall has increased from 42% in 2014 to 53% in 2018. Nowcast or extremely short-term weather forecast for next 3 hours increased from 180 cities in 2014 to 433 cities by 2018. To support this, IMD utilizes high-resolution numerical models every 15 minutes, satellite products, half-hourly current weather observations, and expert systems like satellite-based Nowcast technique and radar-based swirl technique.
Roadways, railways, even the power sector are seriously using the Nowcasts that are being issued by IMD.
Local forecasts are now issued for 324 cities and Nowcast for 433 cities. IMD has truly stepped into the 21st century with its dedicated media briefing, regular press releases and holding press conferences. Warnings are also posted on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. and short movie loops in IMD website. Another success of the Indian Meteorological Department is in its agro-meteorological services. The weather forecasts to farmers are given twice a week with a 5-day validity period. The National Council for Applied Economic Research reported in 2015 that the profit attributable to the use of weather prediction by IMD is about 25% for different types of crops in different seasons. IMD forecast reached 22 million of farmers in 2014 and about 40 million in 2018.
Specific advisories and warnings are issued and disseminated to the farmers through Agromet field units established in different agroclimatic zones in the country.
The extended range forecast issued once a week predicts rainfall and temperature for the next 4 weeks, dry spells and wet spells, spells of heat wave and cold wave, the cyclogenesis.
From 2016 onwards, we are running our own couple model on operational basis. We will use this product for hydrological applications, reservoir application, then your disaster management and health sectors, and in addition also, and as you know, this agriculture sector.
The Long Range Forecast or LRF for monsoons is issued by IMD Pune. With the introduction of new statistical models and coupled forecast system CFS based dynamical models, operational long forecasting of monsoon season rainfall has shown significant improvement in last decade.
IMD was able to correctly indicate the sign of the monsoon rainfall anomaly during the major drought year in the recent period like 2009, 2014 and 2015. Particularly important is the consecutive drought years of 2014 and 15 when IMD was able to correctly predict the seasonal rainfall.
The India Meteorological Department's contribution to India's economy is indispensable. Accurate forecast of Hudhud saved rupees 500 crore in terms of reduction of cost towards evacuation and payment of ex gratia. There are similar benefits in power sector due to collaboration between IMD and Ministry of Power, and also health sector due to heat action plan jointly introduced by states with IMD's support.
IMD has provided good forecasts and warnings in well on time so that these state governments could take precautionary measures and also save the people. IMD will be working more closely to the user communities and also get a feedback from them saying that the products, quality of the products can be improved further.
IMD has thus brought winds of change in weather observation and prediction in the country, while securing its place as a pioneer in this field on the international stage.